A Fort Worth man was executed last night, becoming the first inmate to be put to death in Texas since July 2020. He was only the third inmate executed in the Lone Star State since the pandemic swept the United States. Good morning and welcome to VS News Desk. I'm Anna Summersett, and here's a look at legal news making headlines on May 20th, 2021.
10 months, Texas has executed a prisoner. Prison officials are admitting a mistake tonight, though. They never brought the media in, as is usual, to see tonight Quentin Jones' lethal injection. The Fort Worth man asked for life in prison instead of the 1999 murder, for the 1999 murder of his 83-year-old great aunt. Sharon Wilson, at the time, was not Tarrant County's district attorney, but supported tonight's execution, saying in a statement the death penalty is reserved for the worst of the worst, and she says that Jones qualifies, and his case does.
Quentin Jones, 41, was executed on Wednesday night for beating his elderly grandmother to death with a bat 22 years ago. A jury sentenced him to death in 2001, and he has been on death row ever since. Reporters from the Associated Press in Huntsville were scheduled to view and report on the execution, but they were never called to come over from their holding area across the street. Jones was the 571st inmate to receive a lethal injection in Texas since the state resumed carrying out capital punishments in 1982. He was the first to die without a media witness. Jones is the first inmate to be executed in Texas this year. Texas executed 3 people in 2020 before the pandemic struck, which is significantly lower than in recent years. To compare, Texas executed 9 in 2019. In 2018, that number was 13. There are 4 other executions scheduled through September, including another case from Tarrant County. Tarrant County currently has 3 pending cases in which they intend to seek the death penalty. That's it for today on VS News Desk, the place you turn to for the latest legal news. For more information, be sure to read our VS News Desk blog on our website, versus texas.com. I'm Anna Summersett, and thanks for watching.